Finding the model number of your Samsung Smart TV is quick and easy. Here's how to locate it. Start by checking the back or side of your TV. Look for a label or sticker that displays the model number, usually starting with UN, Queens, or LS, followed by numbers and letters, e.g. UN55AU8000. If you can't access the back, grab your remote, press the Home button, and go to Settings. Select Support or About this TV, where the model number will be listed. Another option is to check the original packaging or the user manual if you still have them. The model number is also printed on the receipt or invoice if you purchased the TV recently. If none of these options work, use the Samsung SmartThings app on your phone. Connect your TV to the app, and the model number will appear under the device details. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.